How to log in and set up your company account. Hello everyone. Today we want to teach you how to set up your company account on your first login. Your initial step is to type sprintcv.com on the search bar. Then, you should click Log In on the top right corner of the page. Now, you need to make sure that you select the option Company. After that, you need to insert your email and password. Then, press Log In. Since this is your first time doing the login, you will be shown a screen where you can upload your profile picture. This is an optional step, but your photo will help your colleagues and friends recognize you on our platform. After you select a picture, click on Add Photo. When you see the picture preview, click on Save to save the photo, or Cancel to choose a new one. On the next screen, you will be asked to insert your personal details. Your name and surname are automatically filled with the information you provided on the sign-up. Your gender, country of residence, city of residence are mandatory fields. You can also insert your birthday, phone number, and LinkedIn page, but those are optional fields. Finally, your job title is a mandatory field as well, since you are the responsible for your company's page. In this case, we will write Hiring Manager as a job title. After you've done all these steps, press Save and Next. The next screen will ask you to set up your company account, where you will write all the relevant details of your company. To do this, click on Start. Firstly, enter your company name, company website, company country, city, and the fiscal number. The responsible name, surname, email, and phone will be filled automatically since you've provided that information on a previous step. Then, you can write a brief introduction about your company, which is an optional step. Further, you have to import the logo or image of the company. Finally, you must give your consent that we can process this data for billing and quality of service purposes. After that, press the Save and Next button. In this section, we will ask you to add your company groups, like for example, candidates and employees. This is an optional step. You can always leave the fields blank. Either way, you should click Save and Next to proceed. If you want to add a specific CV to your templates, you can send us a template and write a short description of it. Later on, our back office will analyze your request and link the template to your company. If you want to do that, press Send Email, and after, Next. Now, we've arrived at the business plan page. Read the plan's descriptions, and select the one that is better suited to your company's needs. You have a 1-month free trial, so you won't be billed until that, and you can always cancel your subscription. This allows you a testing period of the most expensive plan or any other plan. After you select your plan, click Save and Next. This next section is the company settings, where you can specify, enable and disable all the options that customize your user experience while using Sprint CV. For now, you can skip this part of the setup, since you can always adjust it later with the help of our dedicated company settings tutorial. Hence, click on the last column, Tag Details, and press Save and Next. Now that you've completed the setup, feel free to invite more managers to your account. To do that, go to your manager's network on your company page. Press New Manager and insert all the relevant info. You can also start to add consultants to your team. Go to your home page, click on New Consultant, and follow the steps. You are now ready to start generating CVs by clicking on the Generate CV button next to your consultant's name. Feel free to check the rest of our tutorials if you want to explore more in-depth functionalities of Sprint CV.